Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Stir fry bok choy with local spinach and beetroot tops. Okay, so this is what we're going to need in order to do our stir fry bok choy. I'm also doing some spinach. It's not the conventional spinach as you know, but locally here we call it local spinach. So I have a few leaves of that, so I'm also going to do that with the bok choy. This was a bok choy that I harvested this morning from my garden. We're going to use 4 crushed garlic cloves here, a small piece of ginger that I cut up and I harvested the ginger, and we also have 1 tablespoon of Korean teriyaki stir fry sauce. So we're going to add some oil. I'm adding coconut oil. Just adding our garlic and our ginger. Smells fragrant already. Alright, let's add in our bok choy and spinach leaves. Well, as you can see, this is just for 1 serving, rather 1 person. Alright, so I'm not going to add in all of the sauce because that will be too much. So I'm just going to add in some of the sauce. That should be good. What I will do is I will head back to my garden and I'm going to harvest some beetroot tops to add to this. Alright, so let's head back to the garden. Before we go for the beetroot tops, I just wanted to show you this cucumber here. Alright. Alright, so let's head in to the garden. And let's get some beetroot tops. Alright, so we have our beets here. We're gonna harvest some of the tops so we can stir fry. This is what they call the local spinach that I was showing you. So I'm just getting some of the leaves here. These things do wilt down very quickly. So sometimes you think you have a lot when you really don't. Alright. Alright, I think that's good for now. So we're gonna take this back, wash it, and get it in the pot. Okay guys, so I decided to start over with a clean wok. So we're going to put a little bit of coconut oil in. Okay, so now we're going to add in our garlic and ginger and saute that for a while to get everything nice and fragrant to flavor the oil. And then we will add in our beetroot tops and stir fry. And then at the end, we will add back our bok choy to warm everything through. Right. We'll add just a little bit of the sauce. That's fine. Warm up everything.